Welcome to this presentation. In this demo, you will see how the visitor registration Power App is connected and working with the Room Manager site. So what we'll do is add an event as a host, organizer, and invite an external guest with his email address. The external guest will arrive at the front desk or at the reception and use the check-in functionality of the visitor registration app. Step by step, let's go to the calendar and let's create an event for today, let's say for 12 p.m. a.m. Let's open the form and let's say this is a visitor event. With us, let's say this event takes place in the site New York at Fifth Avenue for the given date and the preset of the time frame, so 12 to 12:30. Let's invite an internal attendee. Let's go to the rooms. Let's select the Armstrong room and just go to the end of the form at the bottom line and add here the external email address of the visitor that you would like to invite to this event. Save the event. My local Outlook is loaded, so all the details of the event, as you can see, are added to the email body, and you can modify this event if you want, attach file or use all the other um, ribbon elements which comes with the Outlook email. Send it. When we go back to the site, we see in the visitors list that this event just a couple of seconds ago has been created. It has an event ID, it has all the details of the event. And on the right hand side, we see additionally the barcode with the barcode value and the visitor pass, which is created. Actually, the visitor has not checked in. We also don't have the details of this visitor. So let's see what happens with the visitor when he arrives. He's at the front desk on your iPad or any kind of device that you use for your visitor registration. The visitor will click on check-in and he's asked for giving additional details about the person. So we enter here company name, your name, and as soon as the visitor enters here his email address, which was used for the invitation, you see that the available events related to this email address are listed here for today. So there's automatically a filtering of all open check-ins for any events which has been created. So I select this visitor event with ACAR. The person, the host who has organized is automatically selected. Optionally, the guest can enter a phone number and click submit. Now, visitor info submitted successfully has been confirmed. Let's switch back to our Room Manager site and refresh the visitors list. And let's see what happened here. Now, visitor event with ACAR has been added. And as you can see here, the records with the name, company name, phone number, visitor email, person visit, and the email address of the visitor has been added, as well the date and the time when the visitor checked in. So exactly 1 minute after 1. Now let's see, the visitor wants to check out. There are two options. Either he can check out by QR code, by scanning the QR code and click on checkout, or he can use the standard way to check out. So what you will see here are on the visitor registration checkout screen all the open events where visitors has been checked in today but not yet checked out. So you see it's listed here, the event with the visitor ABC, and the visitor can just select for his informations for the event that he would like to check out. And this is the event in the Armstrong room, as you see, Fifth Avenue. This was the subject title. You can just verify these informations. He checked in at after 1 p.m. and he clicks here on checkout. Confirms the checkout, and when we go back to the visitors list and refresh the page, the date and the timestamp when the visitor has checked out has been added to the list. Additionally, an MS Flow is sent to the organizer of the event. In this case, it was this person here. That was the internal attendee who has organized the event. And he will receive as well an email that the visitor has been arrived. So let me open this email. And you see here, this is the email confirmation to the organizer saying that this person is waiting at the reception. Let me recap. The visitor registration Power App is connected to the visitors list. Any new entries with new email addresses are automatically added. Barcode is created. The visitor pass can be printed out directly from here. And all information are synchronized with the visitor registration app. And at any time in the visitors list, you can modify these events. You can search for the persons. Quick search to find out in which meeting, which location this person is currently engaged. Thank you very much.